Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Mana321 here on Extronus, bringing you guys another video. So it's kind of a short video today. I would just like to share that I'm gonna be selling a bunch of potions soon. Like, I brewed a ton of potions, like just a lot in general, and I'm going to be selling them for like really cheap, like especially dullness, which is like mining fatigue, which just basically makes you swing slower. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just an announcement. So yeah, if you want to get a bunch of pots for really cheap, then message me in game and say I saw your vid. Now I'd like to buy some pots. And yeah, thank you everyone, and goodbye.